Welcome to Technify, your home for the latest in drone tech and innovation. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the brand new DJI Neo 2, the sleek follow-up to DJI's ultra-compact flyer designed for creators on the move. This updated model brings smarter flying, better image quality, and even more control options that make capturing content easier than ever. Whether you're just stepping into the world of drones or you've been flying for years, the Neo 2 has something exciting to offer. So what makes this small drone such a big deal heading into 2025? We'll break down everything from its design and camera to flight performance and who it's built for. If you're into travel vlogs, quick social clips, or simply want to explore the skies with ease, you won't want to miss this. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you stay updated with all the latest tech right here on Technify. Starting with its design, the DJI Neo 2 is made for creators who need something portable. It folds up neatly, is lightweight, and can even fit into a jacket pocket. It includes built-in propeller guards and an ergonomic grip that makes it safer for flying indoors or in tighter spaces. Setup is super quick. Just unfold and fly. The body feels solid, with clean lines and helpful LED indicators for readability in any light. Now let's talk camera. The Neo 2 has a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor that shoots sharp 4K HDR video and captures detailed 48-megapixel photos. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal helps deliver steady, blur-free shots even when it's windy or the drone is moving fast. Wide-angle shots feel immersive, and thanks to its fixed focus, grabbing quick snaps is a breeze. A vertical shooting mode is included too, making it perfect for reels, shorts, and travel stories. But what really sets the Neo 2 apart is how intuitive it is to use. It supports gesture controls, so you can wave your hand to take off or frame a selfie without needing a remote. Voice commands like record video or take photo work instantly, making it ideal for solo creators or fitness vloggers who can't hold a controller mid-shot. Tracking works well too, keeping subjects in frame as they move. All of this makes content creation feel effortless. For creators who want those smooth cinematic moves, the Neo 2 includes a full set of smart flight modes. With options like quick shots, focus track, hyperlapse, and story mode, you can capture dynamic aerial footage without having to manually control the drone. Effects like rocket, circle, and helix are all just one tap away. Active track is great for following people or pets, and time-lapse modes make it easy to build professional-looking content in minutes. Even though it's small, the drone remains stable in open air thanks to downward sensors and visual positioning. It's packed with safety features like emergency braking, automatic hovering, and return to home. Built-in propeller guards help protect the drone in tight spots, while the soft shell and lightweight frame offer a little forgiveness during minor bumps. Even mid-flight mode switching is smooth, giving you confidence and control. On the storage side, the Neo 2 offers around 22 GB of built-in space, which is great for those who want to avoid using micro SD cards. Transferring files is easy through USB-C or wireless sync with the DJI Fly app. That app also handles firmware updates, editing tools, and quick sharing templates. You can go from recording to posting on social platforms in minutes, all without needing a laptop. As for flight time, DJI claims up to 18 minutes per battery, but you can expect something closer to 12 to 15 minutes in real-world conditions depending on wind and usage. Spare batteries are small and easy to carry, and recharging is fast with USB-C. There are even battery hubs available to charge multiple units at once. In practice, downtime is minimal so you can keep filming on the go. So, who is the Neo 2 for? It's clearly built for new drone users, travelers, and creators focused on short-form content. It's perfect for vloggers, families, solo adventures, and promotional clips where portability and simplicity matter most. While it's not meant for pro filmmaking or mapping work, it offers plenty for everyday creativity. From quick fitness shots to travel reels, this drone fits into any creator's kit without the usual learning curve. Still, there are some features we'd love to see in future versions. A swappable battery system, external micro SD support, and infrared sensors for better indoor flight would be welcome upgrades. Vloggers might also appreciate options for improved audio or external mic support. Even small accessories like clip-on filters, handles, or lights could push its potential further. That said, the Neo 2 already delivers a polished experience right out of the box. What really makes this drone stand out is how ready it is for today's fast-paced content world. Its vertical video support, smart templates, and hands-free controls make it a great match for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. You can shoot, edit, and upload without ever leaving the app. A true plug-and-play solution for modern storytellers. And most importantly, the DJI Neo 2 makes flying fun. It removes the fear and complexity that many people associate with drones. Even if you've never flown before, you can go from unboxing to capturing in just a few minutes. It's stable, forgiving, and responsive, helping users build confidence fast. For kids, students, or casual creators, it's a friendly way to start making aerial content that looks amazing. And that brings us to the end of our look at the DJI Neo 2, a drone that feels like it was built with today's creators in mind. It combines compact design with powerful features, offering a stress-free way to capture smooth, beautiful footage from the sky. With smart flight modes, gesture and voice control, and fast workflows built into the app, the Neo 2 is more than just a flying camera. It's a creative partner. It may not be built for professional filmmaking, but that's not the goal here. Instead, it focuses on what matters most for everyday creators: ease of use, reliable performance, and content that's ready to share the moment you land. Whether you're traveling the world or just exploring your backyard, the Neo 2 helps you capture memories that stand out. Thanks for watching today's video on Technify. If you enjoyed this breakdown and learned something new, give us a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear if the Neo 2 is on your radar. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss our deep dives into the latest and greatest in tech. Until next time, keep creating and fly smart.